Yesterday ba, we went to the cinema just to watch the new Fantastic Four movie. Bro, almost late na kami sa screening, pero thanks sa mga trailers, no, nakaabot pa rin ako sa simula. Kasi dito sa Thailand, pag sinabi kasi na 21:30 yung start ng screening, syempre, 21:30 talaga yung magsa-start siya, pero kasama na din doon na magsa-start yung trailer at saka yung ads. So first of all, ito na nga yung full review ko. I love it. Grabe, as in, silently clapping ako during the climax. Pero syempre, silently lang, hindi naman tayo pwede na mag-clap-clap din sobrang lakas. Uy, kasi syempre, nasa movie man tayo. Pero, the director no, pulled off something amazing. Ang galing ng casting. Parang they were born to play these roles good. Both Johnny and Ben, grabe, their banter gave me life. Ang ganda rin na they didn't waste time sa original story. Like, hello, nakita na namin yan, huwag na natin ulit-ulitin. They went straight to action. Sinerge ko talaga pangalan niya, no? Vanessa Kirby. Ay, grabe, as Sue Storm. Grabe, siya yung paborito ko na karakter. Queen, grabe kayo. Tapos si Reed Richards, smooth yung pagka-portray ng karakter. Ang ganda ng chemistry nila as a couple. So, visuals, the CGI of Galactus and Silver Surfer, bro, legit, goosebumps. Silver Surfer's monologue, nakakatakot. Galactus voice, chills. And also, that 60s inspired aesthetic gave the movie that comic book come to life. And beyond the action, no, puso talaga eh. It's all about family. A great start for MCU Phase 6. I swear, Marvel is back on track, bro. So kapag hindi niyo pa talaga napanood, ay sobrang sayang. Bye.